Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Fujifilm X-E5. It's been a long time since we've seen a new addition to the X-E line, so let's take a look. First impressions, well, you would be forgiven for thinking that it looks remarkably similar to the X100vi, and that's because it does. In fact, it shares a lot of similarities both internally and externally, but with one key difference. You can change the lens. So this is the XR23mm F2 R WR lens, and I will talk about it in a little bit more detail later, but for now, let's look at the camera. We have a 40 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor with the X processor 5, the same one that's found in the likes of the X-T5 and the X100vi. 8 frames per second continuous shooting with the mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with the electronic, an ISO range of 125 to 12,800, which is expandable to 64 and 51,200. In a first for the X-E series, we've now got IBIS offering you 7 stops of stabilization in the center and 6 stops around the edges. Face IAF and subject detection, and thanks to the updated AF algorithm, it's both fast and accurate for a range of subjects like animals, birds, planes, trains, and more. While this is predominantly a stills camera, we do have some very decent video capabilities as well. So 6.2K 30, 4K 60, and a whole host of full HD shooting options to cover off all of your creative needs. It's 42 10-bit internal recording with options to be able to shoot 12-bit, ProRes, or Blackmagic RAW via HDMI. Fujifilm really have nailed that sleek and classic styling, and the X-E5 feels really premium. Like, it's got a really nice weight to it, and that is thanks to the machined aluminium top plate, which is all one piece just like that on the X100vi and the GFX RF. We've also got a really nice contoured grip on here, so it's good to hold in your hand, and the addition of a new styled film simulation dial. Speaking of film simulation, we do have all 20 modes on here, as well as some custom options. So you can create your own recipes from your favorite film simulation mode and tweaks, just so it's styled how you like it, and then save it on one of the custom top slots on the dial for easy access. And we also have a new custom control lever just on the front here, which gives you quick access to things like aspect ratio, surround view, recipe preview, and also your digital teleconverter. There's also a 3-inch two-way tilting touch LCD, making it perfect for use in any shooter scenario, and a 2.36 million dot EVF. We've got one UHS-2 SD card slot, a 3.5mm mic headphone jack, USB-C charging, micro HDMI, and Wi-Fi with built-in frame I/O connectivity. I've been really impressed with the performance of this camera, and it's just made the perfect travel companion in the sense that it is so compact and lightweight, and this lens has been the perfect choice. The lens itself is constructed of 8 elements in 6 groups with 2 aspherical lenses to reduce chromatic aberrations, offering you superior image quality, an 11-blade circular aperture for silky smooth bokeh, and a minimum focus distance of just 20 centimeters. One of the cool things to note is that the lens will actually match the body of the camera. So if you get the silver body, you will also get a silver lens that matches, and same goes for the black one. So if you've been looking for the perfect travel companion that doesn't skimp on features, and you love the idea of the X100vi, but you just wished it had more versatility in being able to change the lens, then literally look no further, because this is the camera for you. Now, if you'd like to find out any more details on the Fujifilm X-E5, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!